Hey everyone, welcome back after a long break. I know it's been a while that I've posted a video. So here am I with a new recipe of a wonderful cake, that is a marble cake. Today we are going to bake a chocolate vanilla marble cake. Now this is a unique cake because it combines a chocolate cake with a vanilla cake. And the best part is that we are going to do this only with one cake batter. So first thing, let's preheat our oven to 180 degrees Celsius, that is 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's look at the ingredients now. 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, some flour for dusting the pan, half cup oil, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder with 1 teaspoon of instant coffee and 3 eggs. Grease the pan with oil and dust some all-purpose flour. We do this so that our cake comes out easily from the cake tin and it doesn't stick to the bottom. Now take a big bowl and sift your all-purpose flour and baking powder together. Once done, mix this with a whisk. We just want our baking powder to be completely mixed up with the all-purpose flour. Now in a stand mixer, we'll beat the eggs. So I'm putting all the eggs here in the bowl. On medium speed, we'll beat the eggs till they are soft and fluffy. Now I'm adding sugar. Once the sugar is properly mixed with the eggs, we'll add oil and vanilla extract and we will beat this again for some time. Once everything is properly mixed, we'll switch off our standing mixer and we'll take the bowl out. Now I'm adding all-purpose flour to our wet ingredients in the bowl and I'll mix this gently. Again, I'm reminding you, whenever you are baking any cake, after adding all-purpose flour, you have to mix the batter very gently. Once it's all mixed properly, we'll divide the batter into portions. So after dividing the cake batter into two portions, we'll add cocoa powder and coffee mixture into one of them. So what I have done is I have added warm water in the cocoa powder and coffee mixture and I've just mixed it properly. Just add this into the batter and mix it. This is giving such a nice aroma of coffee and cocoa both. Now, once that is also mixed, we'll take our cake tin and we'll spread the batter one by one. Now, there is no strict rule of where and how to put the batter. Just randomly take a few spoons of vanilla and few spoons of chocolate and spread here and there. So once we have added the batter in the cake tin, we'll just take a knife or table knife or fork and swirl it into the batter. This will make some beautiful pattern on the batter. So we don't have to do it too much. And now this will go to the oven and we'll bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes. So this is a ready cake. It just came out of the oven and it's really hot. We'll keep it on the wire rack for some time, maybe 5 to 7 minutes, and then we'll come back and demold it. Now this is after 7 minutes. The cake is cool now. We'll take a spatula and we'll just scrape the sides. This also we have to do gently. Don't forget the inner side of the cake whenever you are using a bun pan. So once we have loosened the sides of the cake from the tin with the help of a spatula, we'll turn this on the wire rack and we'll try to take this out of the tin now. Just tap it once or twice. Voila! So this is our cake. Such a soft and sponge cake it is. Now we'll again take a plate and we'll turn the upper side of the cake. Such a beauty this is. It has really come out as a beautiful cake. See the pattern over the cake. Let's cut it. Look at the beautiful pattern. You know, the best part is that this is very soft and spongy cake. A nice aroma of vanilla and cocoa both are coming out of the cake. So let's take few slices. So whenever you are confused whether you want to have a vanilla cake or a chocolate cake, this is the right thing to bake. It has both vanilla and chocolate. And see, all the slices have a different pattern. Such a beautiful cake it is. It can be served during tea and coffee times, and it can also be served to your guests. This cake is really a wonderful tea time cake and is loved by kids too because of its chocolatey flavor. So I hope you like this recipe. Do try this and let me know on my Instagram page. how it turned out to be. So thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. So until next time, this is Dipali from dipaliori.com.